Hey guys, dlwalker at Holeshot Performance Products. Well, it's a beautiful Sunday. I'm out here in my driveway. This is my very first Royal Enfield video I've ever made. This is my new Himalayan that I bought about I don't know, month and a half ago. And I also bought a new 650 Interceptor. But anyway, very first thing I'm doing with this is I'm making my own seat with Corbin. Mike has been a close friend of mine for, geez, about 35 or 38 years when I was a young pup. And I make about 15 or 20 seats with him that he sends me a foam with the base and lets me shape my own Holeshot Performance seat. So that's what I'm starting on. I worked on this pretty much all day today, and got a real nice shape with the bucket downhill. Already been out test driving it a few times now, and downhill, a little shaped up here so you don't slide into the tank. The edges are tapered off, and it's going to be really nice. Let me grab the camera so I can get a little closer for you and kind of go over the shape that way. Alright, so yeah, so we got the shape is nice. See, we have a little small uphill slope, keep you out of the tank. I shortened this a little bit here, lowered it, and lowered the back down. Still for a passenger, could still have the slide-in Corbin backrest, but I think 95% or 98% of the people are going to load this bike up with stuff to travel and take off-road adventures. You know, that's what the bike's kind of known for. So I'm going to leave this little dip in here, but I have two flats now. So I have a nice Nelson rig little tail pack, and it would slide around before. And now you got a flat and a flat, and you can snug it down, and then it's kind of flush now with here. It won't slide back, so much better. It was higher before. I also tapered off. The back is a wider platform. It was a little bulbous before, and I kind of tapered it a little more. It's still about, oh geez, probably 3/4 inch wider than the stock seat, so it's still much better if you ride somebody, but a little better platform back there for stuff. This was kind of hitting me in the back a little bit too much. I'm not a real big guy. I have to slide back, but I knocked this taper down and went back with it just a hair and knocked the top off after I lowered it to get that really nice. So yeah, I had to adjust the bumpers a little bit underneath, take a little radius off of here, and you can't judge this because the cover's not on it. So when you sit on it, depending on how big you are, some of that will go away, but the cover's going to take half that gap up with the foam and the protection under the cover, which is kind of a good thing. You have a little bit of a gap, you know, because you're not going to eat up the cover. But shaped the bottom of the base real nice, got about a 1/4 inch clearance, and fits real good now, and I'm happy with the shape. So we'll get working on this, and I'm going to get it back to Corbin's Workshop of Wizards. They will do a clay film they do on the top, and they'll make a new upper mold and for my foam shape. So when I get that back, we will put the finished seat on there. I do have a signature cover that I do in all my seats. Maybe I'll show you a picture of the Versi seater and the SV650 seat at the end of this video. It's going to be that cover. It's my logo with red and silver, Holeshot Corbin. And then I'm not into piping or anything. It's a tuck and roll marine grade vinyl is what I like to use, because I like it better than leather. It allows a little thin membrane of foam under the tuck and roll area. The stitching is all black with a smooth tail with the tuck and roll front. That's what I do. The sides will be at asphalt side, kind of a little bit of a rough black looking. Goes really nice with the other designs. So anyway, I just wanted to show you this, tell you I am working on this and some other stuff. and pretty soon I'll do a video on the 650 Interceptor, little updates I've done already. And so anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little video here. Please subscribe if you like this. Please give me a thumbs up and comment below. And I will be back with part 2. It'll take a little while for them to make the mold, so it might be a month, I'm not sure, maybe a few weeks, I'm not sure. So I'll see you then. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Before I go, here's my Nelson Riggs little backpack, fanny pack, rear pack, whatever you want to call it. Ultramax. It's the medium size, fits the bike perfect. Better than the stock seat because I brought the seat is a little bit wider, still tapered. And now it straps down real nice because you only have that little open space in the bottom. I got a flat there and I got a good flat there. And it's a rubberized material, so it stays on really slick. And those things are neat, expandable, fits it perfect. So just thought I'd show you that. Hey guys, it's dlwalker, Holeshot Performance. Nice to see you today. Hey, I'm down at Corbin Saddles Workshop with the Himalayan Royal Enfield, my 2022. I've been working on shaping a new seat and wanted to bring it here to do the fine tune on it. So I packed the bike up and drove 7 hours yesterday from my shop in Nevada down here. And this is going to be the Holeshot Corbin Himalayan adventure seat. And what I've done is I made my own shape to provide a flat area on the back near the rack, so you can put a tail pack on it and strap it down real nice, and it has the anti-slip cover back on that portion. And of course I reshaped it and made it real nice and up to the tank and keep you off the tank and a little more comfortable, of course. So let me grab the camera and I'll kind of show you right now. We're just finishing the prototype, finished prototype right now. We're going to fine tune it today. So let me grab the camera and I'll kind of show you the back and what I have in mind. Alright, so we're doing a little reshaping and we're fixing a little gap that the front had, modifying the mold. This is Freddie. He's been here over 20 years. And that's Vince, the wizard, on the other side. I think he's been here even longer. Vince is a magic maker, let me tell you. Is that for the CVO, Vince? Yes. All right. Yeah, that's the brand new seat they're developing right now. And I've known these guys for years, probably 30 years. And this seat is, I believe this is Mike's new personal bike, the CVO. Excuse me, I don't know what model this is, but what a bitchin' bike. High-end stuff. Beautiful. The new 121 cubic inch. I think latest model. Not sure. CVO. So yeah, that's a prototype sheet they're working on over there. But anyway, I will be back and we'll move along. All right, guys, just like that, it's all done. Trust me, it wasn't just like that. We spent some time fixing it up, so real nice. So now we got a nice clean line. Gap on both sides, looks good. Right up to the tank, real nice. Still a little bit of room right here, so no rubbing on the cover. This is my own cover, kind of my exclusive signature series cover I do. So this is my marine grade carbon fiber vinyl, and it has a little membrane of foam, about 3/16 of an inch soft foam. Gives it a little more cushy here. I built it up so you don't slide into the tank. Nice little bucket area here. This is called asphalt on the sides. This is a grippy vinyl. We brought the pleats back, but they're very subtle. But if you look what I did, there's no dip in it for like a gunfighter and lady, meaning a passenger. You could ride on here, but my idea was for this, is this. See the rack and see the seat? Okay, so this is called the Holeshot Corbin Himalayan Adventure Seat. The purpose is, this is grippy when you put your pack on here. You could put a pack and all your stuff on here, and you can tie it down to your handrails that are bolted to the frame. That's slick as can be. So I think you guys with the Himalayans should like this one for that purpose. And boy, it's comfy. It looks nice too. So that's about it. All right, until next time, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Hit the bell. I'll be doing a few more things on this bike. All right, and we'll see you later. Cheers.